Now let's see how you can find a real number when two vectors are perpendicular. It says here to find the real number alpha so that the two vectors u and v are perpendicular. It says that u is equal to 2 alpha I plus j plus minus k, v is equal to I plus alpha j plus 4k. How will you find this alpha value when the two vectors u and v are perpendicular? Now, some of you may have already guessed it, but to some you may be a little confused as to how you can actually find alpha, because for that you need to have a whole equation where alpha is the only variable, right? So there must be something, and the key is this word here. Now such clues will be given to you. Not everything is handed to you in a silver plate. It says here that both u and v are perpendicular. So what that means is that the dot product of u and v is equal to 0. And as some of you, in case you don't know, when the angle between u and v is 90 degrees, since it's perpendicular, that means that the cosine of the angle between them, which is cosine of 90, is equal to 0, right? And since u dot v is equal to the magnitude of u into the magnitude of v and the cosine between them, which is 90, that means this entire term becomes 0. So now you can just take the dot product of u and v and equate it to 0. And once you take the dot product, you find out that it turns out that 3 alpha minus 4 is equal to 0, which means that 3 alpha is equal to 4. And so once you take this 3 to the denominator on the right hand side, alpha turns out to be 4 over 3. That's really how simple this question is. You just have to look for particular clues, which in this case is the perpendicular nature of u and v.